In another development, Global Campaign of Rwandans Human Rights, that's GCRHR, has advised the Zambian government and its citizens to be vigilant against attempts to destabilize the peace Rwandan refugees enjoy in the country. GCRHR chairperson Rene, who spoke to S24 from his base in the United Kingdom, claims that the mention of President Edgar Lungu as one of the rebel sponsors by Chief Rebel Leader Kaliste Nsabimana in his court appearance in politically motivated and with ill intentions. Mr. Mugenzi claims that some Rwandan officials want to create uneasiness among Zambian authorities in relation to the country welcoming and hosting Rwandan refugees in peace. He has further urged Zambians not to trust the said testimony. In a telephone interview with S24, Rwandan press attaché to Zambia, Abel Buhungu, said Zambia and Rwanda have continued to enjoy good bilateral relations. Tito Kalama is at the source of the story.
Rwanda's terror suspect, Kaliste Nsabimana, aka Sankara, recently shocked many when he told a Rwandan high court that the Zambian president, Edgar Lungu, was bankrolling a Rwandan rebel group. However, Global Campaign of Rwandan Human Rights has alleged that the arrest of Sankara is politically motivated and that his testimony was made up to destabilize the stay of Rwandan refugees in Zambia.
I think that's what is happening. They want to create kind of unease within the Zambian authority in relation to hosting Rwandan refugees, and then start to cause them trouble, to deport them, or to any other thing which can happen. And so that's, I think, what is happening. That's why I'm calling to the Zambian government and Zambian population really to be vigilant, and also I am also the many Rwandan.
During a telephone interview, Rwanda press attaché to Zambia, Abel Buhungu, dismissed the accusations leveled against his government.
He has confessed. So go to the courts where he's making his own confessions, and then you assess for yourself.
They are saying it's politically motivated. He was told to say so.
No, I'm saying it's not politically motivated, but go to the court in Rwanda, listen to the confessions he's making himself, and then make your own assessment.
Your Excellency, how do you describe the relationship between Zambia and your country?
Our bilateral relations are excellent.
Okay.
I don't know. Yeah. I'm in a meeting right now. Maybe if you can talk at another time and agree on an appointment.
Let me just take a minute. Just explain how the bilateral relations are. Just a minute, sir.
I'm in a meeting. I can't talk beyond this point. I've given you just a brief response what I just asked. But I'm in a meeting. I can't continue like that.
When can I talk to you, sir?
Tito Kalama, S24 News in Lusaka.
Still in the news, Chief Government Spokesperson